Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto umuthi ni aruguretie mubango wa Special Economic Zone uria ukona waki wa nyumba cia raithi ngiri imwe.
Bid on these cars, you go to auction services and to the ongoing auction.
Akiaria mwena wa Naivasha hindi ya igongona ria uhinguri augite thirikari ini igithitie makiria mubango-ini uyu wa economic zones bururi-ini wothe kwa muhiano Dongo Kindu Mombasa, Sagana Kirinyaga, Thika, Egerton, Eldoret na Busia.
New investor in our special economic zone, and this is significant in the following ways. Number one, the increase of new enterprises in our special economic and export processing zones is a very strong signal of investor confidence in Kenya and as a trading and investment destination, and also of the positive effect of our policy and regulatory environment in attracting local and foreign investors. And that is why today we celebrate Jumbo. I remember a year and a half ago, when we were in Nakuru County, many people were in doubt as to whether this industrial city would be a reality. I think we can confidently tell them today, we meant what we said, we've kept our word, and the first investor has opened doors in Naivasha. In fact, outside at the river, in all our special economic zones, Naivasha has become the first in the last couple of years to open its doors as a special economic zone.
Governor wa kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kihika Akiaria augite mubango uyu ni ukuhe andu makiria ma 100,000 mawira na kunyihia wagi wa mawira undu uria ugutuma ukuria kaunti-ini ino.
This has come to be envisioned in the blueprint for the Naivasha SEZ is estimated 100,000 jobs will be generated, absorbing hundreds of thousands of jobless youths in the county. The investments no doubt attract housing, eateries, transporters, banks, schools, hospitals, and other related services. And the net effect, Your Excellency, is the Naivasha SEZ will not only change the lives of residents of Nakuru County, but countrywide. It is
atongoria age aria megwikinyetie igongona-ini riri ni John Kiarie, mubunge wa Dagoreti, Maina Karofia wa Yala. Ngeribotera Muthingi TV kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Wangui wa Muriuki.